Laundry. We are people from different worlds. Whether you are fishing or doing household activities, taking care of your cleanliness is important for you and others. There are moments, though, when life gets in the way of that, such as wanting to show off your new catch or needing to quickly refresh your washcloths and cleaning supplies. You need something that is quick, easy, and portable. We present to you a new prosthetic washing machine, accessible wherever you are and at whatever time you need. All it takes is loading your clothes or cloths in, water, and one press of a button. The Water Spirit takes 2 liters of water. Whether you need a 10, a 15, or 20-minute wash, the Water Spirit is available to be adjusted to any of your cleaning needs and can be drained easily through the opening of a valve or automatically. The choice is yours. After your clothes are done washing, the Water Spirit can spin dry your items for 10 or 15 minutes, or dry for 120, 180, or 300 minutes. Easy to work and easy to carry, this washing machine will solve all your problems at home or on the go. With several washing modes and drying capability, this machine allows you to quickly and efficiently clean your linens. Taking up minimal space and being easily accessible is what 2020 is all about.